Which bird lays eggs to fly? Your options are A. Hummingbird, B. Kingfisher, C. Eagle, D. Homa. Right answer is D. Homa. Next question. Which is the fastest bird in the world? Your options are A. Eagle, B. Hummingbird, C. Peregrine falcon, D. pigeon. The right answer is C. Peregrine falcon. Which animals pass stool through the mouth? Your options are A. Cat, B. Bat, C. Rat, D. Pig. The right answer is B. Bat. Which bird can fly backwards? Your options are A. Kingfisher, B. Crow, C. Homa, D. Hummingbird. The right answer is D. Hummingbird. Hummingbird is the smallest bird in the world. Which is the most expensive bird in the world? Your options are A. Parrot, B. Racing pigeon, C. Macaw, D. White peacock. The right answer is B. Racing pigeon. Which bird regarded as the king of the birds? Your options are A. Eagle, B. Kingfisher, C. Hawk, D. Skylark. The right answer is A. Eagle. Which bird has most beautiful tail? Your options are A. Sparrow, B. Parrot, C. Peacock, D. Macaw. The right answer is C. Peacock. Which bird has the longest tail? Your options are A. Ribbon-tailed Astropia, B. White-tailed tropic bird, C. Peacock, D. Long-tailed widow bird. The right answer is A. Ribbon-tailed Astropia. Which bird lays the largest eggs? Your options are A. Penguin, B. Ostrich, C. Emu, D. Crow. The right answer is B. Ostrich. Ostrich eggs can weigh up to 1.9 kg. What is the largest breed of penguin? Your options are A. Emperor penguin, B. King penguin, C. Jack penguin, D. Queen penguin. The right answer is A. Emperor penguin.